What's going on, everybody? Feder here from 3D Print SOS. Welcome back to the channel. And today we have a super exciting video because I can finally give away some things here on the channel to celebrate us getting to 10,000 subs. I'm not quite there yet, but that's when this giveaway is going to end. I wanted to give you guys some time to be able to enter your names into the giveaway to be drawn for, well, this. I got an Aquila X2 machine, brand new, never assembled machine here in the box, and I want to give it back to you guys, my active YouTube subscribers. I'll explain how to do that in a second. However, this Aquila X2, since it's coming from me and international shipping, is absolutely insane at the moment. This is going to have to stay to a winner within the United States. I was kind of bummed that I can't give it away anywhere else. So I actually reached out to Voxelab, and they backed the channel in a big way by adding another Voxelab Aquila X2 to the mix, and this one coming from them internationally. So that's right, there's going to be two winners who can get a Voxelab Aquila machine, one directly from me that has to stay within the United States, and one directly from Voxelab that's going to be an international winner. So I'm really excited to be able to give back to you guys for helping me get to where I am today with this channel and where it is. The other thing that's going to happen is I have 3D Max rolls. 3D Max stepped up also, and they're giving away their PETG lineup here. They have more colors than this, but I have 5 here. We have some new stuff and some of their staples. So one winner is going to get 3 rolls of their classic black, white, and clear PETG. We're going to have another winner that's going to get their new navy blue and new army green PETG colors. Those are really neat choices for colors in PETG. And finally, one lucky winner is going to get a roll of their gold PETG. It's actually a really neat color for PETG. So there we have it, guys. There's going to be 5 people, 5 names pulled, and I'll make a separate video pulling those names. I'll explain how in a second, but I want to mention this up front. There are going to be bots and spam and scammers in the comments of this video trying to get you to come off platform in some weird way to get on WhatsApp or to email them or some other funky website. That's not me. The way I'm going to do this is there'll be another video following this one at some point after we hit 10,000 subscribers, where I'm going to pull names. I'll explain how to do that in a second. But in that video, I will verbally call out the 5 names for winners, and I'll give directions on how you can reach out to me, and I'll give some time to do it. And if those people don't get back to me with some information, then I'll just pick someone else in an additional video. That's how it's going to go. I'm not going to be reaching out to you. I'm going to give clear directions in a video verbally on how you guys can contact me for this specific giveaway. So just keep that in mind. I know that if you have giveaway in a title right now on YouTube, there's some bots and spam happening, so I want to warn you right up front. So here's how you get in on this giveaway. There's going to be several ways. The first and most important way is to comment one time on this video. Say what you would like to do if you were to win a Voxelab Aquila X2, or if you're interested in the PETG, comment something that you'd print in PETG or why, or just say something nice about the community. Maybe you're a Discord member. Mention something nice about that. And speaking of Discord, that's going to be another way you can get in on this contest. If you're an active member on Discord at the time of reaching 10,000, those names are also going to be pulled. So one way to enter is to comment one time on this video. The second one is to be an active member on our Discord channel. That's 2 entries for this giveaway. But then we also have another platform that's really important to the channel, and that's Patreon. And I want to give back to you guys in a big way by including all of your names at any tier 5 times into the pot. So one way is to comment on this video, another way is to be an active member on Discord, and then be a member on Patreon in any single way, any tier. That's going to be in there 5 times for a total of 7 ways to enter. Then also there's YouTube members. All my YouTube members that hit the join button and joined me are going to get another 5 for a total of 12 entries into this giveaway. So that's how you can enter. Once we hit 10,000, I'm going to export all of the comments from this video. I'm going to export all the active members on Discord. I'm going to export all of the Patreon members and multiply it 5 times. I'm going to export all the YouTube members and multiply it 5 times. And out of that whole list, I will randomly, in a video, choose 5 lucky winners. One for an international Aquila X2, one for an Aquila X2 within the United States, and then another one for 3 rolls of PETG in the United States, one for 2, and one for 1. 5 total winners, really clear instructions. Super excited, like I mentioned, to be able to do this for you guys, to say thank you, for constantly supporting this channel. And after 10,000, I think we will have a slightly better opportunity to reach more brands, to get more into the studio here so that I can make better content, more entertaining content for you guys, for your channel, and help more people get into 3D printing, which is my goal. All right, I think with that, that's everything I have. And as always, I'll see you guys down in the comments. Good luck.